trust this computer not showing up on your iPhone, or the pop-up keeps flashing and disappearing, follow these easy steps to fix it in less than a minute. First of all, make sure you have the Apple iTunes app or the Apple Devices app installed on the device that you're trying to connect your iPhone to, and also one of them is open. But make sure both of these are not open at the same time. Now simply unplug the cable from your iPhone and plug it back in, and you should get Trust This Computer. If you're still not getting any pop-up, make sure it's plugged in properly into the other device, and you can also try a different port. Sometimes the cable may not be working properly, so also try changing the cable. If you're still not getting Trust This Computer pop-up, then let's force restart both our iPhone and the other device. To perform a force reboot, quickly press and release the volume up, then the volume down, and then hold down the side button until the screen turns off and the Apple logo reappears. Now give it another try. If it's still not working, then here's what will definitely work. Open Settings, tap on General, scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Location and Privacy. Don't worry, this won't erase even a bit of your data. So tap on Reset Settings, and there you go, it's done. Now plug it back in, and boom, here's your Trust This Computer pop-up. So make sure to hit Trust, and then on your computer, you'll see your iPhone will pop up. So go ahead and do whatever you want. That's all. Leave a thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you around.